Konnichiwa minasan! Welcome back to Japanese Learning Hub, your gateway to fluency. I'm Reg, and today we are going to learn 20 more essential Japanese phrases for daily conversation, part 6. These phrases will help you navigate daily life in Japan even better. Let's get started, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more language learning tips. Let's start. Konnichiwa, hello or good afternoon. For example, Konnichiwa, genki desu ka? Hello, how are you? It is a common greeting during the daytime. Arigato, thank you. For example, Tasukete korete arigato. Thank you for helping me. It is used to express gratitude. Sumimasen, excuse me, or I'm sorry. For example, Sumimasen, michi o oshiete kudasai. Excuse me, could you tell me the way? It is used to apologize or attract attention. Hi, yes. For example, Kore wa anata no desu ka? Hi, so desu. Is this yours? Yes, it is. It is used to affirm or agree something. Iye, no. For example, Tasuke ga hitsuyo desu ka? Iye, daijoubu desu. Do you need help? No, I'm fine. It is used to deny or disagree. O genki desu ka? How are you? For example, Konnichiwa, o genki desu ka? Hello, how are you? It is used to ask about someone's well-being. Ikura desu ka? How much is it? For example, Kono hon wa ikura desu ka? How much is this book? It is used to ask for the price of something. Doko desu ka? Where is it? For example, Toire wa doko desu ka? Where is the bathroom? It is used to ask for the location of something. Onegaishimasu, please. For example, menu o onegaishimasu. The menu, please. It is used to make a polite request. Sayonara, goodbye. For example, sore de wa sayonara. Well then, goodbye. It is used when parting, especially for a long time. Ohayo gozaimasu, good morning. For example, Ohayo gozaimasu, sensei. Good morning, teacher. It is a polite way to greet someone in the morning. Konbanwa, good evening. For example, Konbanwa minasan, good evening everyone, is a greeting used in the evening. Oyasumi nasai, good night. For example, Oyasumi nasai, mata ashita. Good night, see you tomorrow. It is a polite way to say good night. Ittekimasu, I'm off or I'll go and come back. For example, Ittekimasu, Kasan, I'm off, mom. It is used when leaving home. Tadaima, I'm back. For example, Tadaima kairimashita. I'm back. I'm home. It is used when returning home. Itadakimasu. Let's eat. Literally, I humbly receive. For example, Itadakimasu tabimashou. Let's eat. It is said before eating a meal. Gochiso sama deshita. Thank you for your meal. For example, Gochiso sama deshita. Uishikatta desu. Thank you for your meal. It was delicious. It is said after finishing a meal. Otsukare-sama desu. Thank you for your hard work. For example, Kyou mo otsukare-sama desu. Thank you for your hard work today. It is used to acknowledge someone's effort or work. Yoroshiku onegai shimasu. Please take care of it, or nice to meet you. For example, kore kara mo yoroshiku onegai shimasu. I look forward to working with you. It is used when requesting help or introducing oneself. Sugoi, amazing or great. For example, kono eiga wa sugoi desu. This movie is amazing. It is used to express admiration or amazement. Great job, everyone! Today, we covered 20 more essential Japanese phrases for daily conversation. Practice these phrases to get comfortable using them. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more Japanese language tips. Arigato for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Mata ne!